everything we know about Nokia 9. Nokia launched several smartphones in 2017, including the Nokia 8, its most powerful phone to date. Rumors still persist it has a further device in the works, which is known as the Nokia 9, and it may be a larger, bezel-less version of the Nokia 8. Nothing is certain, and the release date is unknown for now, but here's all the information we've gathered about the Nokia 9 so far. Specifications. FCC filings for a Nokia model with the codename TA1005 have recently surfaced, showing a new phone with a 5.5-inch OLED display, 128GB of storage, and an SD card slot, a 3250 mAh battery, and the Snapdragon 835. According to Android Crunch, this depicts the Nokia 9, and confirms quite a few suspected specifications. A 5.5-inch screen puts the Nokia 9 on the lower end of screen sizes in 2018, with bezel-less designs rapidly becoming the norm, and if leaked renders of a bezel-less design are to be believed, would mean that this device would be fairly small compared to other flagships. There's no mention of RAM in the FCC documents, but it's likely to be around or above the 6GB mark to match the other specifications. Camera. As we suspected, a dual-lens camera seems to be the order of the day, with the filing containing details of a 12-megapixel and a 13-megapixel lens taking up place on the rear of the phone. This tallies with previous reports that a Android 8.0 Oreo beta patch for the Nokia 5 had references to camera abilities not available in any released Nokia smartphones. The update mentioned a wide-angle photography mode and a 2x telephoto zoom, neither of which is supported by Nokia's only dual-camera phone, the Nokia 8, so it's probably safe to assume that the Nokia 9 will have these features built into it. If that's true, then the Nokia 9's rear shooters are likely to be very capable indeed. The front-facing selfie camera is a little more of a disappointment, with only a single 5-megapixel lens winking back at you from the phone's front. Design. The Nokia 9th of May have been confused with the Nokia 8 over the past months, as many of the leaked images said to be the Nokia 9 turned out to be more representative of the Nokia 8. The most recent leak reveals the rear panel of the Nokia 9. From the image, you can see sections cut out for a dual-lens camera, LED flash, and fingerprint sensor. It's intriguing because the design is bezel-less, unlike the Nokia 8, and therefore more in line with other 2017 flagship Android phones like the Samsung Galaxy S8 and LG G6. The image should not be taken as final, because when it was leaked, it was accompanied by a similar sketch for the Nokia 8, also with thinner bezels than the final version. This casts doubt on the accuracy of the Nokia 9 image. That said, additional rumors suggest that the Nokia 9 will indeed feature an edge-to-edge 3D glass display, which means that it will be essentially without bezels. There will be no capacitive touch buttons and is said to exclusively support navigation with virtual touch buttons. The most recent leaks come from Baidu, which show the Nokia 9 in two different glossy color variants, blue and orange. Corroborating with other rumors, the photos above show the same edge-to-edge 3D glass and bezel-less display. Release date and price. We don't know when, or even if, the Nokia 9 will be released. Rumors suggest, however, that it could be priced at €749, around $885. We will keep you updated with all the rumors. That's all we know about Nokia 9. Let us know your opinion in the comment below. See you tomorrow.